Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying the Global Beauty Care Black Mask with applicator, unclogs pores and lifts away impurities, 15-minute facial therapy. So that's what we're gonna do. I have done a video of this one. Let me turn it around so you guys can see it. So this is how it looks, and this is the Global Beauty Care. So I have done the gold mask of this. So for some reason I found this in my bags, or when I was doing Dollar Tree. Yeah, so I did this. So now what we're gonna do, this is how the product look. It says it comes with applicator, which is this one. Is a small applicator. So I was gonna use this one, the Sassy and Chic one, but let's see. I don't think this is just too small. I just gonna do. So this is the charcoal gel face mask, Charbonne, mask facial gel. So this is how it looks. So we're just gonna try that, and yeah. Hey you guys, so I'm in my bathroom today after that because I got a lot of things to do today. So okay, so I'm gonna use this spatula because it's big and it's gonna get me quicker where I want to go. Okay, so according to the instructions, they want you to leave it for 15 minutes. This is a gel face mask, by the way. So I haven't done one of these in a while, y'all. So I know when I do Dollar Tree videos, they have so much mask, y'all. You just gotta know which one works for you and stuff, and you just don't want to keep buying masks. So I'm not so much of a mask person, so yeah, but anything that would clean my pores and everything, it's good to do this kind of facial things like once or twice a week as a female, so clean your skin. And I don't use makeup that much. That's why I don't really do makeup tutorials that much, because I don't put on makeup that much. So only when I'm ready to go somewhere and things like that, and I put on. But the only thing I really do put on my my face that much is my eyebrows, eyelashes. That's basically it, but makeup, no. But I'll still do some tutorials and things like that. But my thing is, the time it takes to do them, you're not going anywhere. So even though the pandemic, so I'll just do basic tutorials and things like that. But like to do like a glam, if I ain't going nowhere, why waste the product? In my opinion. Even though I want to show you guys more tutorial, because I know a lot of you wants to learn, because again, I'm not an MUA. I learn from people as well. That's why my services on here, I open this YouTube channel to help people. So yeah, this channel is not monetized, not yet, or anything, but I really don't focus too much on that. But I still make videos to show you guys you guys have been showing me love on my channel. So yeah, I mean, some people, you say, oh my god, you're spending all that time doing videos and things like that and so on and stuff, and you know, it takes time. Everything takes time. Everything is a process. Trust the process. Okay, like I always say, trust the process. It's like going to school. You ain't just going to school and just thinking you just gonna get a degree. It's a process for you to get the degree, ain't it? So yeah, so everything is a process, y'all. Is this all right? Yo, is this okay? Let me put some more. This is a gel base too, so yeah, the gel face mask. So they want me to leave it on for 15 minutes, and yeah, like I said, anything to clean the pores, definitely doing it, you know. And I think I got a couple of face masks that I got from there that I will be using. Like I said, it's good for us females so that we can, even if you don't put on makeup that much, it's good for you to open your pores, you know, clean it out and things like that. So you guys, yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys before I wash this off. I'm gonna be showing you guys also, you know, just a basic tutorial on how to pamper yourself at home. Again, I don't have a whatever jacuzzi in my home, but I just have a tub just like everybody else. But I'm gonna be using a Dollar Tree product, so watch out for that video. But I'm just gonna make this sit on me for like 15 minutes and things, and then I'm gonna come back before I wash it up, because I want you to see how, yeah, the product, you know, suck up my face and everything before I go on and wash it off. So I want you guys to trust the process. Okay, you guys, I've waited for over 30 minutes, and this is how the gel is looking like. So I guess it's not one of those peel off masks due to this being a gel kind of consistency. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just wash this off my face, and yeah, I'll come back and, you know, show you guys the Okay guys, so this is how my face is looking after I did the mask. It's very refreshing and stuff. My face looks like it's a little bit dry, but not much, but I can feel the sensation. So I haven't wiped my face or anything, so I'm just gonna use my moisturizer and moisturize my face. So my face do look you know, a little bit, well, not a little bit, do look really nice and things like that. So you can see the fresh, you know, the difference from before and after. So it's very clean, and I can really see my pores and things. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. This is not one of those masks that you peel off and blah blah blah. No. So I sat down and waited for over 30 minutes. It's still like jelly. I mean, it's a gel. So, you know, so, but I didn't want to leave it more than that. And yeah, so I will continue doing that, even though it's after I wash it. But after I moisturize it just now, I don't feel that little like dryness anymore. So yeah, I really like it. Yeah. So you guys, only $1. You can try it and see. Like I say, they have different kind of masks there. Whatever one you feel like, you can put the ones you know, the cloth and the ones that already have the stuff on it, and put it there for whatever minutes they want you to put it on there for and things like that. But you know, let me know what you guys think. I like it. It's really nice. Yeah, so for me, I would recommend like once or twice a week if you do a lot of makeup applying thing during the week or so. So maybe you probably want to do this like 2 to 3 times a week, but for me, basically once or twice a week is okay. So I really like it. So alright, you guys, let me know what you think about it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. My eyebrows needs TLC, okay? So my face is already done. So my eyebrows, okay? Bye bye, y'all. See you.